Hello everyone, I am Dr. Hercules and I will be your instructor this semester. I'd like to welcome you in this new path that you're taking, enhancing your education. This Child Development and Growth class is very interesting. We're going to learn about temperament and many other things. We're going to be learning together. I would like to show you the Canvas homepage where we're going to be spending most of our time together. So if we go to the homepage, this is how the homepage look like. As you can see, since this is a short video, I will go over pretty quick. I encourage you to spend some time trying to navigate through Canvas. So this will be your syllabus. Any announcements will be, of course, under announcements, but the most important is modules. Sometimes students tend to jump into pages or discussions or assignments by skipping the modules. I truly encourage you to go to modules to find your place of assignments from here. So other than that, if there is any announcements are important. So as you can see, I already posted one announcement that we're meeting. Our first Zoom meeting will be September 3rd. And you can find it under announcement that it also shows in the homepage. It was a pleasure to meet you. If you have any questions, let me know. You have in the homepage, you have my email, which is the best way to contact me. I'm very good at checking my emails periodically. So within 48 hours, I will be answering any questions that you may have. So I welcome you. I wish you the best. And I know we'll do great together. Thank you so much.